everyone, this is Margie again, and I'm doing yet another video for you guys, and this is the second video that I'm doing. And the last video that I did, which was a neutral makeup tutorial on 27th of July, which was, I got such an overwhelming response from you guys, and I was so feeling lucky that you guys have appreciated the work that I'm doing and you guys are liking the videos that I'm doing. So it's very overwhelming for me that you are liking the videos that I'm doing. And in 3 days I got, guess how many? I got 85 views on YouTube, like, in 3 days, and I'm just the beginner, like, to do these videos. And you guys, girls have been loving it, favoring it, and on Twitter you girls have been writing me. Especially I want to give a shout out to there was this girl called Nidhi, and she wrote such sweet comments on my Twitter account that I am now one of her favorite after Michelle Phan, which was, I think, one of the biggest compliments that she gave me. Thank you so much, Nidhi, that you are liking my videos and keep watching the videos like this. And she wanted me to do a video on Monday or Tuesday, but I wasn't able to do it. But I was like, I'll do it as soon as I can. So yeah, so this is yet another video that I'm back to show you and to teach you something new. The last makeup tutorial was based on eye makeup, but today I'm going to be doing a whole-fledged full makeup, because the last time I wasn't able to do a full makeup, like face makeup. So I was like, why don't I show you guys my foundation routine that I use, because I have a really bad skin. I have one of the worst skins that is present on this planet Earth. I don't know about Mars and stuff. I have no contacts over there, but I wasn't able to do the full face makeup. So I was like, why not do a foundation routine for you guys, so that you girls will be able to understand far more betterly how the whole process of the makeup goes, especially with the face and the eyes. So what I did not do any makeup now. I do not have any makeup except my eyeliner. So I just wash my face, and I'll be showing you guys every single step that I'm doing and every step I'm taking just to get a perfect skin, because I have oily and acne prone skin, which is one of the worst skins. So I do not have a perfect skin, but I tend to do things that clean my face, and if I have any way to go, it obviously gradually makes it look much more presentable in front of you all. So yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing that I used was one of my favorites. As you all know, I am a huge fan of Garnier. Garnier is one of the best brands I love, and second is Maybelline, then Lakme. I have a lot of products. Right, so the one that I have is this Garnier Pure Active Neem Face Wash, and I don't know if it's available in abroad. I'm not sure about that, but if you have access to this, you can definitely buy it. And it looks like this. This has a whole full-fledged makeup, and it also cleanses your makeup and stuff. So this is a full thing. So I wash my face with this, and the next thing that I'm going to be applying, and if I want my face to look much more, I want to give a little pamper to my skin, I will use this Himalayas Neem. This is a face pack. This is a purifying neem face pack, and this is, I think, one of the best things, and it smells a little weird. First you apply it, it smells like not my type, but it works really good. Right, so first thing that I'm doing after I wash my face is my Garnier. This is Essential Care Moisturizing Lotion. This is a daily moisturizing lotion, and it's oil free and it's dermatologically tested. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking it and I'm going to be putting it on my palm. I won't be putting a lot, because, and it's like, it's a water based, so it does not creases or anything like that. It does not make your skin look greasy. I'm going to rub it between my palms, and I'm going to be starting off from my forehead, rubbing it in a circular motions all over my face. And then I'm going to be taking it downwards onto my chin, onto my, my neck. I forgot my body parts. Yes, so after this step, I'm gonna let it a little bit build in my skin. the next step that I'm doing is I'll be applying my favorite souffle. I do not tend to like foundations as like foundation because I think for my skin foundation is much more heavier. It's a little bit heavier for my skin. So I tend to use souffle. First I used to call souffle shuffle, and I was like, what was I thinking? But now I call it souffle when I tend to know it's souffle, it's not shuffle. So I'm going to be using another one of my favorite products, which is by Lakme again, and this is a Lakme Face Magic Daily Wear Souffle people. And this is in the shade Natural Shell, and this is my shade. So if you think you have a skin like me, you can buy this one. And the packaging is super cute. I love the lid. Yeah. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking it, putting it from my pot. It's like a little pot, right? So I'm going to be taking it and I'm going to be dabbing it as same step as I did before, in the last video, right? I'm going to be dabbing it a little bit more where I need a little bit more coverage, right? So I'm not going to be rubbing it with my hands. But I'll be using a foundation brush, which I love, and this is a flat foundation brush. If you want to use, you can use a kabuki brush or something like that, which normally is for foundations to buff up in your foundation. But this is especially a foundation brush, so if you want, you can use this type of foundation brush, and it's super cute. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be dabbing it. I'm going to be just using it like a paint under my eyes. So if you're a painter, it's good for you because you know how the technique works. Same thing goes down with the chin and on up. I hope my lens is not showing weird things because it did last time. So I'm going to be buffing it into the skin. After this I'm going to be using, don't worry, I'll be using my hands to blend out because the warmth from the reason why I tend to use hands is because the warmth of your skin, the warmth of your palms, it tends to melt the product into the skin, so it does not actually come out that often and that easily. So yeah, so I'm going to be taking it under my eyes because I have a little bit darker on there and on our lid, covering few perfections. Right, so after this, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be blending it. I'm going to be rubbing my hands and I'm going to be using my hands to and my favorite way to do on the forehead is in circular motions because it blends because your cheeks absorb really quickly but your forehead does not absorb products that often and that easily. So you guys can see how the difference is between my skin because it gives a proper coverage to my skin, so hence the reason why I like it. And yes, so same thing goes with the nose and down our chin. And if you need a little bit more extra coverage, if you have any redness or anything like that, you can use a concealer. I do not really use a little bit concealer a lot because my Lakme Souffle gives me coverage with perfection. Right, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my second favorite, my Lakme face powder, which is by Lakme. Yes. So this is again in the shade Natural Coral. So if you have any access to this, you can use it. So I'm going to be using it with a sponge because I want my foundation to melt into my skin. So I'll show you guys how it looks. This is how it tends to look, which you have already seen before. So I'm going to be using it and see how it goes. So just use in a little bit of dabbing motion so that your powder actually tends to stay. Down our chin and down our cheeks. And I'm gonna be using the sponge to dab a little bit under my eyes. And a little bit over my lid. So you see how the coverage is actually with the Lakme Souffle. So I'm pretty proud of the product that I got this product because I wasn't really wanting to get it, but I was like, why? Let's try it, and it was good. I love it. So yeah, so the next step is contouring. I'll be contouring my cheekbones and on the bridge of my nose because I do not have a perfect nose. Speaking in a British accent, I don't know British accent at all. So I'm going to be taking this, So I'm going to be taking this and I'm going to be taking a little bit of a darker, mixing these two, and I'm going to be contouring it down with this kind of a fluffy brush. And it's not that going up to my temples. Same thing we're going to do with the other cheek. And on my temples. And on the bridge of my nose. Right, so that's it for the video, guys. This was a very simple makeup tutorial because the last time I wasn't able to do the face. I just used the Garnier Fair Miracle, and that's it for today's video. And sorry if I'm a little lazy today because I'm super tired, but I want you guys to, I want to thank you all so much for loving and responding to my videos, and there are so many of you who have been writing such sweet comments on my YouTube and on my Twitter account. And if you do not know my Twitter account, you can go on the links down below. I'll have it down below so that you girls will be able to read it and find me on Twitter also. So if you have any personal suggestions, if you have any personal things to talk about, not personal stuff, but anything related to makeup or fashion, and please leave it on the comments down below telling me how you like this video and what will be the next video that you girls want me to do, or guys, whosoever is watching this video. So yeah, and please give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video. Again, my quirkiness and my foolishness, which my friends mostly handle. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, and so please subscribe to Pen channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, 2 things you have to do: stay beautiful and stay confident. Ta-da!